Welcome to 10402 Prospect Avenue Northeast, a stunningly renovated property nestled in the highly sought-after Snow Heights neighborhood in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,300-square-foot gem sits on a spacious corner lot with a charming exterior and modern updates throughout. As you approach, you're greeted by the clean contemporary curb appeal. The home's stucco exterior is newly upgraded with Synergy synthetic stucco in the elegant vibrato color. With a 2-car oversized garage and a large driveway, this home provides ample space for all your needs. Step inside and take in the open concept living space designed for modern living. The brushed oak taupe flooring seamlessly flows through the living room, dining area, and kitchen, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is a true centerpiece of this home. It boasts of the Hampton Bay Shaker-style cabinets, sleek black hardware, and the stunning Calicata penny round mosaic tile for the backsplash, adding a texture and sophistication. You'll also love the expansive island, perfect for casual meals and entertaining guests. Equipped with brand new stainless steel appliances, including a GE 4-burner gas oven, Amana microwave with a hood combination, and GE stainless steel dishwasher. This kitchen is ready for all your culinary adventures. And let's not forget the beautiful deep single-base stainless steel sink, framed by the custom dark wood countertops, all under a flood of natural light from the new dual-pane vinyl windows. Adjacent to the kitchen, the living area is cozy and stylish, centered around the fully functional wood-burning fireplace. The black tile design provides a bold statement, adding modern flair while still offering a warm and comfortable setting to relax or entertain. The updates don't stop there. Both bathrooms have been meticulously renovated with high-quality finishes. The primary bath provides a custom-tiled walk-in shower with a penny-tiled floor and matte black fixtures, giving the space a luxurious spa-like feel. The 3 spacious bedrooms are light-filled and designed with comfort in mind. Large windows and modern fixtures give each room a bright and airy feel, ideal for rest and relaxation. Outside, you'll find a large backyard with plenty of potential. Whether you envision creating a garden, outdoor entertainment area, or simply enjoying the privacy and space of this corner lot, the opportunities are endless. The wide gravel front yard, part of the home's full southwest landscape design, provides both beauty and practicality. With the ample space for both the RV parking or yard expansion, the possibilities are endless. The full corner lot design complements the spacious feel. A roadrunner even made an appearance, giving the space a delightful nod to the local environment. With its thoughtful renovations and brand new appliances and convenient location in Albuquerque's Northeast Heights, this home is move-in ready and waiting for you. From its inviting interior to the spacious exterior, 10402 Prospect Avenue Northeast offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Don't miss your chance to make this stunning property your home. Contact us today to schedule a private showing and experience everything 10402 Prospect Avenue has to offer. God bless and have a great week.